2025 Harley-Davidson Captain America is a stunning tribute to one of the most legendary motorcycles in pop culture history. Inspired by the iconic chopper ridden by Peter Fonda in Easy Rider, this limited edition Harley is more than just a bike. It's a symbol of rebellion, freedom, and the open road. With classic design elements blended seamlessly with modern technology, Harley-Davidson has crafted a machine that pays homage to the past while embracing the future of motorcycling. At the heart of the 2025 Captain America is Harley's Milwaukee-Eight 117 engine, a powerhouse that delivers a perfect balance of torque and smooth power delivery. The air-cooled V-twin churns out impressive horsepower and offers a deep, throaty rumble that echoes the spirit of the original chopper. Harley has fine-tuned the fuel injection system for improved efficiency, making this machine both powerful and practical for long-haul cruising. Whether you're ripping down the highway or rolling through city streets, the Captain America provides an unmatched riding experience. The design of the Captain America is where this bike truly shines. Harley-Davidson has meticulously recreated the classic chopper look with a stretched-out front end, extended forks, and a rigid-style frame that gives it an old-school stance. The iconic red, white, and blue paint scheme remains, featuring a star-spangled fuel tank that instantly grabs attention. Hand-painted pinstriping and vintage-style badging add to the authenticity, ensuring that this bike stays true to its cinematic inspiration. A modern LED lighting system enhances visibility while maintaining the classic aesthetic. The round headlamp and bullet-style turn signals are integrated seamlessly into the design, providing a blend of nostalgia and modern functionality. The tall ape-hanger handlebars give riders the commanding riding position that chopper enthusiasts love, while the custom solo seat ensures comfort for long-distance rides. Harley has also upgraded the Captain America's chassis and suspension to provide a smoother, more controlled ride. While the original Easy Rider chopper had a rigid frame, this modern version utilizes a hidden monoshock rear suspension, preserving the classic hardtail look while offering modern comfort. Up front, an extended telescopic fork provides excellent stability, making the bike easier to handle than its vintage counterpart. One of the standout features of this edition is its exhaust system. The classic upswept fishtail pipes not only look incredible, but also provide a deep, roaring sound that perfectly complements the Milwaukee-Eight engine. Harley has ensured that the exhaust is compliant with modern regulations without sacrificing the aggressive tone that chopper fans crave. The wheels feature classic spoked rims wrapped in white wall tires, adding to the vintage aesthetic while ensuring solid grip and handling. Braking performance has been significantly improved compared to the original choppers of the past. The Captain America is equipped with dual front disc brakes and a single rear disc, complete with ABS for added safety. Riders get the best of both worlds, retro styling with modern stopping power. Harley-Davidson has also included an advanced technology suite to enhance the riding experience. A discreetly placed digital display provides essential information like speed, fuel level, and trip data without disrupting the bike's classic lines. The Captain America features keyless ignition, cruise control, and traction control, making long highway journeys more enjoyable and safer. Connectivity is another area where Harley has brought the Captain America into the 21st century. The bike features Bluetooth compatibility, allowing riders to sync their smartphones for navigation, music, and hands-free communication. A premium sound system is available as an optional upgrade, ensuring that you can blast your favorite tunes while cruising down Route 66. Riding the Captain America is a truly immersive experience. The long, raked-out front end gives it a unique feel, requiring a bit of skill to maneuver in tight spaces. But once you hit the open road, it glides effortlessly. The wide power band of the Milwaukee-Eight engine ensures smooth acceleration, while the low-slung seating position enhances comfort on long rides. This is a bike built for those who love the journey as much as the destination. Harley-Davidson is releasing the Captain America as a limited edition model, making it a must-have for collectors and enthusiasts. Each bike will come with a numbered plaque, signifying its place in production, along with a certificate of authenticity. The attention to detail in every aspect of this motorcycle ensures that it will be a highly sought-after piece of Harley history. Customization options will also be available for those who want to personalize their Captain America even further. Harley offers a range of accessories, including custom sissy bars, saddlebags, and performance upgrades. Whether you want to keep it true to its Easy Rider roots or add a modern twist, the Captain America provides a solid platform for customization. In a world where motorcycles are becoming increasingly high-tech and futuristic, the 2025 Harley-Davidson Captain America serves as a reminder of the golden age of choppers. It's a machine that celebrates the spirit of adventure, the love of the open road, and the freedom that only two wheels can provide. For riders who grew up dreaming about hitting the highway on a true American chopper, this is your chance to live that dream. The 2025 Harley-Davidson Captain America is more than just a motorcycle. It's a piece of history, reborn for a new generation of riders.